Next, we are going to see about like operator and wildcard. The like operator in MySQL is used to search for a specified pattern within a column. It's commonly used with wildcard character to match pattern in string values. Now I am going to show you the syntax how to write a like operator. For that I am going to use select column 1, column 2 from table name where column names. Here I am going to use like and we want to give a pattern. Now I am going to explain you the syntax. This keyword is used to perform pattern matching. The column name specifies the column you want to search within. The pattern specifies the pattern you want to match against. It can contain wildcard characters for flexible pattern matching. Next, we are going to see about wildcard characters. The percentage matches any sequence of the characters including 0 characters. Underscore matches any single character. Now I will show you the code with wildcard. For that I am going to use select star from employees where employee where name like J percentage. If I run this, see we are getting John. The person. Now I will explain you the code. We are selecting all columns from the employee table. We are specifying the condition employee name like J and percentage mean the first letter should start with J and it can contain as many characters. The percentage means first should be J and after any character, which means we want to retrieve row from the employee column value starts with J followed by any sequence of character. Similarly, if you want to retrieve employee whose name contains on anywhere within the string, you can use the percentage middle character at both the beginning and the end of the pattern. Now I will show you that also. First we want to give an percentage and on. I will give O and I will give percentage. If I run this, see we are getting John and Bob. The middle is O and then like this we can give using the wildcard. Now we will see the underscore wildcard character to match any single character. For example, to retrieve employee whose name are the 3 characters long and start with J, you can use. Now I will show you how to write using that. Same code, just we want to modify the pattern. For that J, I will give 3 underscore. If I run that, see we are getting John. The starting is J and the 3 characters. This query will return employee whose name starts with J and have exactly 4 characters. Like this we want to use pattern. Thank you.